Welcome back. Now we're tracking the latest from outside the parliament. You have at least 200 MPs protesting a show of unity by the opposition leaders against the demonetization drive of the government. And these are the three demands that they have. The first being that have a debate in the parliament over the demonetization drive and let the Prime Minister be present for that debate. They want the debate under the Rule 56, which means that there could be voting as well after the debate. And the third demand is for a JPC to probe the leak, an alleged leak of the information to the BJP leaders. That's what the opposition has alleged, in which they want a probe. The shots on your screen that you're seeing right now near the Gandhi statue, which is turned into the epicenter of the opposition's protest. Now, different tactics being adopted by different parties in the opposition, where we're seeing fractured lines, because there's been a proposal first to meet the president as well. Second, a nationwide bandh, which is being opposed. And third, you also have a protest which is being planned by TMC's Mamata Banerjee at Jantar Mantar today. But it remains to be seen if the other parties will be coming together. Interestingly, AIADMK also joining into the protest today morning. My colleague Brijesh is joining us. Now, Brijesh, the tactic that seems to be followed by the government is go to the people. The Prime Minister launched an app yesterday to assess the nation's mood. But is that enough? Because at the end of the day, you also need the business being done in the parliament, crucial bills suffering as the opposition ups the ante.
Well, Devina, the government is working on various aspects. As we speak, a meeting is going on at the Chambers of Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu, where Home Minister Rajnath Singh, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Anant Kumar, MOS Parliament, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, they are all huddled in a meeting. Apart from that, the strategy of the government is their government is working on two-pronged strategy. One, they are directly reaching out to the people, because the government per se is convinced of the fact that that people of this nation, the people of this country, are with the party. They are the majority of them, almost as high as 75 to 80% of the people are supporting the government on this demonetization drive, which they feel that will help the government and the country to get rid of black money. Apart from that, there are also talks of converting the all-important GST bill, the three bills GST bill, into money bill. It's not been confirmed, but the government is working on various strategies to make sure that these are passed through the Lok Sabha, where the government has an absolute majority.
All right, be with us, Brijesh, because even as the GST money bill route is being mulled by the government, we also have more reactions coming in. Let's take a listen.
Issue outside Parliament. Parliament is in session. Why can't he come to Parliament and speak on the issue? Because Parliament is supreme in our democracy. It represents the will of the people. Number two, let there be a JPC. Let Prime Minister come to Parliament. Let there be a debate. At the end of the debate, let Parliament decide upon a JPC.
Please don't give any interview.
First reaction that was coming from the left. Now, it is also an interesting matrix of political parties we're seeing, left and TMC coming together. My colleague Supriya gets us this report from the ground.
We can see that the opposition parties in a united way are protesting near the Gandhi statue. We can see even the Samajwadi Party, along with JDU, Congress, TMC, AIADMK, left parties, Trinamool Congress, and even the people from the parties across, even NCP is present here. We have been seeing that how the opposition has upped the ante against the government. They have been demanding that the Prime Minister should be present there. Also, they are saying that apart from the debate on the entire issue, the JPC probe should happen on the allegations which have been levelled that that the information was leaked beforehand, the demonetization scheme was announced. Well, you can see the placards which are saying that Kisan ro raha hai, Pradhan Mantri Swaraj. This is what the RJD is saying. And at the same time, we're also seeing that people have been protesting, that this marks the beginning of the series of protests which will happen in the capital. After this, we are seeing that there will be a protest in the House also. We are hearing that the opposition parties will once again raise a demand for protesting inside both the House of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. They're saying that apart from protesting here there. Outside also, in the streets of the national capital, we'll be seeing Trinamool setting a protest near Jantar Mantar, and at the same time also there will be a protest march all the way from 24 Akbar Road, which is the headquarters of the Congress party, up to Prime Minister's house. Well, we have to see as to how the opposition is going to strategize in the coming hours, but one thing is for sure, the series of protests have been launched by the opposition on the issue of demonetization. With camera Rajiv Srivastava, Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today in Delhi.